How to create an event. Welcome to the EBRAINS Community tutorial on creating your own event. Let's get started. If you're looking to organize an event for your existing or potential new collaborators, whether it's a meeting, a training session, a tool evaluation, a workshop, or any other type of collaborative invitation, you can easily create and manage your event within the EBRAINS community. Start by visiting the subcommunity where your existing or potential collaborators are located. Please note that you must be a member of the subcommunity to create an event within it. From here, you can click on Create Event. Fill in the required information for your event. In the Privacy and Settings section, customize your event's accessibility. You have three options. Make it open for all community members to attend. Set it to private, where you'll need to approve attendee requests. Choose invitation only, making the event visible only to those you invite directly. You can also enable additional features for event attendees. Remember to publish event to save the event. Note that you can always change the settings and the information of your event later, giving you flexibility in how you manage your event. If your event is set as open or private, it will appear in the search function for all community members. It will also display in that subcommunity's event calendar. However, you can actively promote your event by inviting members and sharing it in your subcommunities. That's it. You've learned how to create your own event in the EBRAINS community. Now go ahead and host events that align with your interests and goals. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy organizing and participating in events within the community.